Imagine a swinging lamp in a quiet cathedral, and how that simple movement would one day change the world forever. This is the story of Galileo Galilei, the man who discovered the secret of measuring time. From a curious child to the father of modern physics, Galileo proved that even the smallest observations can change humanity's understanding of the universe. Galileo was born in 1564 in Pisa, Italy. As a child, he loved puzzles, experiments, and asking questions that no one else thought about. He would observe falling objects, dripping water, and even the stars at night. His teachers sometimes thought he was distracted, but Galileo's curiosity was unstoppable. He constantly asked, "Why does this happen? Why does it move this way?" Little did anyone know, this curiosity would later lead to one of the most important scientific discoveries in history. Legend has it that, while attending Mass in the Pisa Cathedral, Galileo noticed something extraordinary: a chandelier swinging gently in rhythm. He timed the swings using his pulse and noticed a pattern. The swings were regular. No matter how wide the lamp moved, the period, the time it took to swing back and forth, remained the same. This simple observation sparked a revolutionary idea. What if this motion could be used to measure time? Galileo didn't stop at observation. At home, he built simple pendulums with weights and strings. He measured swings, tested different lengths, and noticed that longer pendulums swung more slowly, while shorter ones swung faster. He recorded every detail meticulously, proving that time could be predictable and measurable. These experiments laid the foundation for modern clocks. Galileo's work eventually led to the invention of pendulum clocks, which were far more accurate than any clocks before. For the first time, people could measure time precisely. Astronomers used his discovery to track celestial events accurately. Sailors could calculate longitude at sea, reducing shipwrecks. Daily life became more organized, and societies could coordinate events reliably. A swinging lamp had turned into a tool that changed science and daily life forever. Not everyone believed Galileo. Many scientists and church officials thought time was too abstract to measure so precisely. But Galileo persisted. His careful experiments and detailed notes convinced others that motion could be predictable and measurable. He challenged centuries of assumptions, proving that careful observation is more powerful than unquestioned tradition. Galileo's pendulum work didn't just improve clocks, it reshaped science. He inspired other scientists to study motion, forces, and acceleration. Galileo's method of careful observation and experimentation became the foundation of the scientific method. Every time we use modern physics, mechanics, or engineering, we are standing on his shoulders. Even today, Galileo's discovery impacts our lives. Modern clocks, from grandfather clocks to atomic clocks, trace their origins to his pendulum experiments. Navigation, space exploration, and satellite systems rely on accurate time measurement. Everyday schedules, from trains to flights, depend on precise clocks. A simple swing of a lamp centuries ago set the stage for all of this. Galileo teaches us some important lessons. Curiosity transforms the ordinary into extraordinary. Observation and persistence can measure the universe itself. Small discoveries can ripple through centuries, changing science, technology, and daily life. So next time you glance at a clock, remember the swinging lamp in a cathedral and the mind that saw the invisible rhythm of the universe. Galileo proved that paying attention to the world around you can change history.